Hey, why you feeling so happy today? Usually, you look tired every day.
Because I drink feeling so happy. Because I drink Yakult every day.
Good morning viewers, back with me Rutina Najwa, who will bring back news about the 2025 Long Holiday. The first news came from the Borobudur Temple in Magelang, Central Java. During the 2025 Borobudur Temple once again became a top destination for both domestic and international tourists. The beauty of this World Heritage site combined with the surrounding natural scenery and local cuisine make this holiday season truly special. Next is a live report from our reporter, Indah Nizelka.
Thank you, Studio. I'm here at Borobudur Temple, a spiritual and cultural masterpiece that not only amazes with its architecture but also holds many historical stories. I have a several guests with me who will share the experience inside. Let's talk to the third gate of Borobudur Temple. Good morning, Mr. Kura.
Yeah.
What effort has been made to maintain and preserve Borobudur Temple?
Okay, so how to preserve and maintain the Borobudur Temple is, for the first, we must to keep the humidity. We must keep the jungle surrounded of this place until maybe 50 kilometers from here, because the jungle water is connected with the quality of the oxygen, and oxygen is connected with how to preserve the temple. So good oxygen is good to preserve the temple. And the second, now we have a program for management visitor. In the past, for one day, until 58,000 people can go up to the temple. But now, for one day, only 1,200 visitors can go up the temple, and they must use a local guide. So what they do on the temple, it's must connected with the guide, so it's possible to know what they can do and what they can do.
Okay, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Next, what are some interesting stories you usually share with tourists?
Yeah. So not only the carving, but the building. So one of the reasons why the temple was built here, because located only 2 kilometers from the meeting of the river, so easy to get the stone. 2 million block of lava stone, yeah, they built on the hill, and of course the carving, like this. This is the carving. Yeah. So you know, this is some people, they dance together. Grandpa, grandchild, they playing together and they eat together here. You know what is this? This is rice, vegetable, tofu, and this is the fish, catfish. So they eat together. Yeah.
Detail.
Yeah, very detailed carving.
In general, can you explain the meaning of or story the relief Borobudur Temple?
So Borobudur, on Borobudur Temple, there are 1,460 panels carving. Yeah, carving like this. 1,460. So when we want to see or we want to read the carving, so we enter from the east entrance, we go for the clockwise. So there are many carving there, like a biography of Buddha, like animal story, like education, cultural, and of course about gastronomy, how they make some food. Yeah. So many people came here, the tourists, and they listen the explanation from the tour guide, and they will very happy for that. So they can imagining the past. Yeah, they can to know what happened 1,200 years ago about Borobudur. Enough?
Good morning, Mister. What are your impression of visiting Borobudur in the middle of the long holiday? Is there a special attraction?
Kesan saya ya, Candi Borobudur ini adalah sesuatu yang sangat istimewa, amat mewah. Kenapa? Karena dengan bangunan seperti ini, serumit ini di zaman kerajaan yang belum ada alat modern bisa berdiri sekokoh ini tanpa ada gempa juga enggak ada yang retak, kunci-kunciannya juga bagus. Itulah hebatnya sejarah bangsa Indonesia yang daya pikirnya melebihi dari masa sekarang.
Yes, very magnificent. Have you tried the snack around the temple?
Sementara ini belum, tapi rencana setelah keluar dari candi ini kita akan keliling pasar untuk melihat jajanan, karena menurut informasi jajanan pasar di daerah Candi Borobudur enak, lezat, dan sangat ciri khas dari daerah itu.
Thank you, sir.
Sama-sama, semoga berhasil.
Thank you. How does Borobudur Temple tourist impact your income as a local resident?
Nothing getting my lucky stars. Darling, don't you know what you are? Yeah, baby, you are. Yeah, baby.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, I'll be angel. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know.
Thank you to all guests for the time and insight. The holiday rush show that Borobudur Temple remains a top tourist attraction worldwide. If you are planning to visit, don't forget to maintain clean lines and follow the rules. Back to studio.
Yellow diamonds in the light, and we're standing side by side as the shadow crosses mine. What it takes to come alive. It's the way I'm feeling, I just can't deny.
Moving on top the second news, the Chinese New Year celebration in Magelang was full of joy, with one of the highlights taking place at Art House Mall. On the first day of the celebration, the largest mall in the city became a hub of activity, featuring an exciting line dance performance that can captivate thousands of visitors.
Good evening, viewers. I'm Indah Dwi Astuti, currently reporting live from Art House Mall Magelang, where preparation for the Chinese New Year celebration on January 29, 2025 and 5. And the Chinese New Year atmosphere feels very strong. From the red lanterns, the decoration, the camp area, everything creates an atmosphere that is not only beautiful and fun. The people were seen enthusiastically watching the lion dance performance. Many people flock it because this show was held during Chinese New Year. Thank you. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yeah. What is your name?
My name is Rudi Wijaya.
Okay. Lastly, I like to speak with the coach of the lion dance team who is responsible for today's performance.
Yes.
Yeah. Could you share with us the biggest challenge is training this lion dance team?
Persiapan sudah sekitar 6 bulan sebelum Imlek. Jadi semua rangkaian diutamakan itu latihan fisik. Setelah latihan fisik baru menggunakan alat untuk memperagakan sesuai dengan alunan musik dan gerakan tariannya.
Very inspiring. Thank you so much.
Mengenai proses latihannya itu gimana?
Proses latihannya itu
Proses latihan dan persiapan.
pertama itu teknik terus sama gerakan-gerakan dasar.
Ada kesulitan dari gerakan-gerakannya yang paling sulit menurut Anda apa?
Besi
Itu bisa dijelaskan sedikit Wesi itu bagaimana?
Besi itu kuda-kuda sama gerakan kepala.
Terus selanjutnya bagaimana perasaan kalian dapat mengikuti event hari ini?
Senang
Terima kasih.
ya.
That's all the news from us. We will be back with other news. Have a nice holiday, stay safe, and keep moving.